Hello, I want to welcome you to this series on security clearance appeals. This is Alan Edmunds. I'm an attorney that has been practicing security clearance law across the United States for over 45 years. Today was a great day. We got a decision. I'm holding this decision in my hand, and I want to speak to you about it. This has to do with a military member. He was in the military for 15 years, married with children, got out of the military and couldn't find employment and ended up getting several debts, 6 debts, totaling over $30,000. The government felt that he was a risk to national security, so they filed a SOR, Statement of Reasons, and he retained my firm. I personally litigated this case with him in front of a Doha administrative judge, and we got the decision recently. So this is a case under Guideline F, Financial Concerns, which I've told you in previous videos, is the number one guideline that the government uses to remove, deny, revoke your clearance. We prepared this gentleman for trial. I took it to trial. We've prepared a trial notebook. We prepared all his evidence. And the case, as I said, involves 6 delinquent debts. He had paid off some of them. And the judge says in the decision, quote, "I weighed the evidence as a whole and considered if the favorable evidence outweighed the unfavorable. I also gave due consideration to the whole person concept. Accordingly, I conclude that he met his ultimate burden of persuasion, and it is consistent with the national interest to grant his eligibility." Well, what a fantastic result for this individual. He was returned to his job because he got his clearance. The job required him to have a clearance, and he goes on with his career. These cases are tough, but if you call me at 800-481-2526, I'm happy to sit down with you. I'm happy to explain the process. Never, ever go to a hearing before an administrative judge or a panel. I don't care if it's the DOD or the Department of Energy or if it's TSA. Never go to those hearings by yourself. You'll be against an experienced lawyer. You'll be in an environment that is not comfortable, and you simply won't be able to respond to the situations in the courtroom and the questions that come both from the government attorney and from the judge. I've been doing this for 45 years. We have litigating attorneys in this firm. We have offices coast to coast, Washington, D.C., North Carolina, Florida, Texas, and California. You can reach us at 800-481-2526. I'm happy to help you. This was a Guideline F case, financial concerns, but we handle all 13 guidelines under the DOD directive, and we can help you. We can help you save your career. And this is not only for civilians, but it's also for active duty or veterans. If you get notices of proposed action or you get notices of unsuitability, government agency, Department of State, Department of Homeland Security is trying to take away your job or your clearance, don't worry. Call me, Alan Edmunds, at the Edmunds Law Firm. And also, I want to remind you, you're watching this YouTube video, but we also have a number of podcasts on Spotify and Apple under Edmunds Law. So visit us there and learn the strategies and the concerns that I have on these cases. I share them with you. Your education is important to me. Your job is important to you, and I know that. So give us a call, the Edmunds Law Firm, 800-481-2526. Thank you.